In this video, we're going to have a look at how to use scale factor to calculate a missing variable on the side of shapes that are similar. So the question is asking us to calculate the value of x in the diagram shown. And looking in the diagram, we have got x that appears twice. We've got an x here and an x minus 2 down the bottom. So to help us with our calculations, and I recommend doing this whenever you've got two triangles that have been overlaid on top of each other, is to draw the two separate triangles and mark in the known dimensions. So starting off with the top triangle, which is the smaller triangle, it's got a base of 10 and a side of x. And then my second triangle, which is going to be the larger triangle, it has a base of 16 and it has a side that is equal to x and x minus 2. So adding those two values together, I know my side is going to equal x plus x minus 2, which equals 2x minus 2. So the side of my larger triangle is 2x minus 2. So to be able to work out a value for x, I need to identify what are my corresponding sides. And my corresponding sides, the first one is the two bases. So that is a side of 10 and a side of 16, which are corresponding, and the side of x and a side of 2x minus 2. Those two corresponding sides can be used to calculate the value of x. So each corresponding side can be written as a fraction. So 16 over the corresponding side of 10 is going to equal 2x minus 2 over the corresponding side of x. Once I've written each corresponding side as a fraction, I can use a cross multiplication method to work out my value of x. So applying the cross multiplication, 16 times x is going to equal 10 times 2x minus 2. So 16 times x is 16x, which is equal to distributing the 10 to inside my brackets. So 10 times 2x is 20x, minus 10 times 2 is 20. So now I will solve for x by rearranging the equation. So first I'm going to remove the minus 20 from the right hand side by adding 20, and then adding 20 onto the left hand side as well. So 16x plus 20 is going to equal to 20x. Next I'm going to move the 16x from the left hand side. So I'm going to subtract 16x and subtract 16x from the right hand side. So 20 is going to equal to 4x. And then I can divide both sides by 4. So x is going to equal to 5, or 20 divided by 4. So my value of x in my diagram is equal to 5 units. And I've calculated that using scale factor and proportionality and the cross multiplication method.